management system is a software solution designed to simplify the process of creating, updating, and managing restaurant menus. It centralizes menu information, automates update, and ensures consistency across all platforms, ultimately saving time and effort for the restaurant owner and staff.
Benefit of implementing a menu management system. 1. Increase efficiency, automating menu update and eliminating manual data. Entry saves significant time and effort, allowing staff to focus on other aspects of restaurant operation. 2. Improve accuracy as centralized menu database ensure consistency across all platforms, minimize error and reducing customer confusion. 3. Enhancing customer experience, up-to-date menus and accurate information contribute to a positive customer experience, increasing satisfaction and repeat business. 4. Data-driven decision making. Menu management system provide variable data on menu performance, allowing restaurants to make informed decisions about pricing, promotion, and menu optimization.
Considerations for choosing a menu management system. Features and functionality. Consider the specific features and functionalities required for your restaurant, such as the number of menus needed, integration with existing system, and reporting capabilities. Scalability. Choose a system that can grow with your business, offering the flexibility to accommodate future menu expansions or changes in operations. Considerations for choosing a menu management system. Ease of use. The system should be user-friendly and intuitive, allowing staff to easily navigate and manage menus. Cost. Consider the pricing structure and compare cost with other available solutions. Customer support. Ensure the provider offers reliable customer support and technical assistance.